Part 8. The Great Problem-Solving Patterns. The mental moves that turn an impossible problem into an easy one. And the first is one we have already felt. Divide and conquer. And the idea is almost cheeky. If a problem is too big to solve, then don't. Cut it in half. Then cut those halves in half. And keep cutting until each piece is so tiny, the answer is just obvious. Then, on the way back up, you combine the small answers into bigger ones, and bigger still, until you have rebuilt the solution to the entire thing. Merge sort did exactly this. Split the array down to single elements, then merge them back together in order. And binary search did it too, throwing away half of the problem with every single step. And the payoff is that beautiful log n factor. When each step halves the work, even 1,000,000 items need only about 20 steps to cut all the way down. Divide, conquer, combine. Whenever a problem contains smaller copies of itself, reach for this. And watch something huge collapse into something small.